Is your OBS stream lagging, freezing, or randomly disconnecting? Here's how to fix dropped frames fast. First, check your internet. Next, lower your bitrate. For 720p streaming, use 2500 to 3000 kbps. And set your keyframe interval to 2 in output settings. Now go to the Video tab. Drop your output resolution to 1280 by 720 and set FPS to 30. This makes your stream smoother and easier on your system. Finally, switch to hardware encoding ENVENC for NVIDIA or AMF for AMD. It takes the pressure off your CPU. Still getting drops? Choose a closer stream server or let OBS auto select the best one. That's it, smoother streams, no more disconnects. Like and sub for more OBS tips.